Have you ever typed this into Google? How to start an online business at 50 with no experience? Because I have more than once. And if that's you, quietly dreaming of more, but silently wondering if it's too late for you, I want you to lean in for the next few minutes. Because this message is the exact one I wish somebody had told me when I was starting right where you are right now. Maybe you've been asking yourself, can I actually do this? Is it too late to start something new? What if I don't understand the tech? What if I fail in front of everyone? If your mind has been spinning with these questions, please hear me. You're not behind, you're just on practice. And that's a whole different story. To start, you don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need a perfect business plan. You don't need a fancy website or a big audience. The first step isn't any of that. The first step is simply a decision. One that says, I may not feel ready, but I'm going to stop thinking about it and do something. That's your first step. And that step begins with something simple and powerful. Your why. Why do you want this? Is it freedom? Is it flexibility? Is it the joy of creating something that's yours? Or maybe it's just to prove you're not too old. You're not done. You have something beautiful to build and something good and great to offer. Whatever your reason is, that's your anchor. Because on the days when things are hard, and there will be those days, I can assure you, your why is what's going to keep you moving. Once you've made that decision to go for it, then it's time to get practical. The next thing is, what are you offering? What are you actually going to sell? Is it a digital course, a physical product, a service, or a resell program? Even if it's not something you've created, like promoting a ready-made course, you still need to understand what problem your offer is solving and why it matters. The next thing you need to know is, who is your audience? Who is your product for? What are they struggling with? Why are you the right person to guide them? Trust me, your story, your age, your life experience, that's your superpower. Then the next thing is, what tools do you need? Here's the truth. You don't need a big setup. If you've got a phone and Wi-Fi, that's enough. I started with just that. And the tools I use now, adding to that, is System.io, which is super beginner friendly. It's just drag and drop. It's quite simple. Canva, which makes your content look professional with zero design background. And if I can figure it out, I promise you can too. So let me tell you something. Beyond all that, what shifted everything for me? I found a digital marketing course designed just for beginners. And the best part, it came with the rights to resell it. That meant I didn't have to create a product from scratch. I could promote something that was already proven to work and learn and earn at the same time. It gave me momentum, not because I knew what I was doing, but because I finally had a path that I could follow step by step. But do you know what really helped me stay the course? Was a community of women that I had access to. Women just like us, asking questions, some starting fresh, but all building something meaningful together. Now here's the truth. And I want you to remember this. You will never feel fully ready. And your confidence doesn't come before you act. It actually comes after you've taken an action and repeated action. The next step is start small, but start. Now, if you're curious about this course that has helped me take my first step, the link is below. There's no pressure. Just take a look. It might be the shortcut you've been hoping for. Now, if this video gave you even the tiniest spark of hope, and if you want more real talk, real tools, and beginner-friendly steps to help you build something of your own, go ahead and hit subscribe, because this is just the beginning. You're not too late. You're not too old. You're not behind. You're right on time. And I'm so glad you're here. I'm Lorna, and I'll see you on the inside.